So the first thing to do is to download the Constant application. Click on the icon and download the app. Now you can open the application. We allow the smartwatch app to send you notification. We have to activate the Bluetooth and then you tap "I've got a smartwatch." So the first thing then is to create an account to get started. Add your email address, and password. Then add your name, email address again, the password, and confirm the password. Agree terms of service private policy. Then we have to choose your gender, height, and weight. You have to set your country, set your date of birth, and then we can start pairing the watch. To activate your watch, you have to tap Start Pairing and then push the crown button. Your phone is now looking for your watch. It's connecting and your watch is found. To confirm, you have to push the crown button again and the watch is paired. The hands will directly go from 10 past 10 to the time on your phone. Your watch is now connected. Now the next step is to set your goals. The first one to set is your activity goal. 10,000 looks fine to me. It's a bit of a challenge, but we'll go with it. And then the sleep goal, 7 hours, should be healthy as well. Let's skip the next configurations, as we are going to cover them in the upcoming tutorials. Now we can enter the application.